What it do, we back in this thing. As y'all can see, 700 is sporting a brand new AC condenser. This is actually the second one I installed. I ordered one from Rock Auto and it did not fit. It didn't fit inside these 4 mounting points. It was too tall and too thick. Even though I ordered it for a 91, I feel like it was for a late model because they're a little bit bulkier. But this one came from O'Reilly. It's a Murray brand. It was in stock locally, so that was good, and it fit perfectly inside the 4 mounting points. So that's good because I definitely wanted to keep these rubber insulators to keep this thing from bouncing all over the place. If you remember from the last video, we left off with needing to cut these transmission lines and run them to a Tru-Cool 40K transmission cooler. But to do that, we're gonna have to utilize a product from today's sponsor of this video. As you can see here, the difference between these brackets is pretty clear. Clocks Fabrication offers a modified hood latch bracket designed to give additional clearance to install a Tru-Cool 40K transcooler behind the grille. It can be used for all 1988 to 98 Chevy and GMC trucks, Suburbans, and Tahoes. The bracket is a direct bolt-on and comes powder-coated black with many different colors available upon request. The price as of January 2022 is $150, which includes shipping. Hit up Clocks Fabrication on Facebook to order yours today. Well, there we go. That was super easy. Real simple. That looks damn good too. Only thing I gotta do now is move over my hood latch, and I gotta relocate the horn too. The guys over at Clocks Fabrication recommend putting it down here on the underside of the core support. And there should be a hole there for it, and the harness already reaches, so that's good. Next thing we do now, get this thing mounted up. There's a few ways to do it. So let me show y'all how it's gonna look. It's gonna be pretty badass. So if you can see that, picture it, visualize it, get that thing mounted, and then run my hoses to it, to the bottom down there, cut them, and get that part of the project done, man. But as y'all can see, that's a great product, man. Y'all go hit up Clocks Fabrication on Facebook to get yours. That is a hell of a price for a quality product, man.
The next day.
What it do, ooh, man, that looks good. I'm happy with how that turned out, man. I was able to use 3 mounting points, 2 of them which the holes were already there. This one was already there, and this one was already there. I drilled this one. I may take that 4th bracket right there and drill it over here into the core support later, but there's no way I'm gonna be able to do that with the bumper still on. So now that I plan on changing the bumper out, at that point I'll be able to do it. But really, it don't even really need it, man. It's tight, like it's super tight. It ain't going nowhere. All I gotta do now is cut these lines the right length. I do gotta find out what adapter goes in there, what AN fitting goes in there, because it comes with these things that you can put hose on with a clamp. There's a few different ones in there, and I'm not even sure what they go to. But I don't want to go the clamp route. I already did the other end of these, so I just want to finish it off. I'll find whatever fitting goes in there, grab the right fittings, and we'll be good. But I like it. That's my first time ever installing one of those. It was a little rough. The worst part was getting the spacing right, and these are weird. Like, these are 11 millimeter. The back there, and the nut is 11 millimeters, so that's weird. But yeah, just getting the spacing right, that's all. So I gotta move on to the next step, man. Get those lines done, finish that part of the project, hook them up right here, and whoo, boy, we finna be in there. Put the lights on. I'm gonna do that when I finish everything up. Put the quad glass lights on. I don't even know what they're called. I don't know the actual name of that option, but we're gonna do that. It looks good though, man. Golly, I'm happy with that. Clocks Fabrication, man. That is a hell of a bracket to allow that setup right there. Y'all go visit their site, man. Clocks Fabrication on Facebook. I would assume he got an Instagram too. I didn't ask, I'm not sure, but he's got a good product. That's it for now. Finally glad to be done. That actually took a couple days. Me and Quan worked on it the other day, and I kind of got frustrated, to be honest with you. And then came back out here a day or two later. I think it's been a couple days, and finished it up. So that's it, man. Just gotta keep going little by little. But I'll check in with y'all when I move on to the next step. Peace out.
Several days later.
LV just tightened up one of his mufflers. Huh? Oh, this right here? Oh, y'all just put this on? Oh, that's pretty nice right there now. On both sides? Oh, yeah. Road glide. You like that?
Yeah. Hey, what's up? What's up, fam? What's up, Cool Cars KJ fam?
I hear you. Yeah, man. What it do? What it do? We out here. Finna try to finish up these lines. I found the adapters that go in there, that Tru-Cool.
Hey, go cop the merch.
You're right. Go cop the merch. Go to coolcarskj. Get you a giveaway shirt. Still about 67 of them left, I believe. But anyway, it's a 640 380. That is, Ben, come hold the camera. That is what goes in this Tru-Cool. And then, of course, you put your fittings on the side. Ben, I said come hold the camera. You always talking about wanting to hold the camera. Here, let me show them. Let me show them how it go in there. Hold it. I want to see this right here now. You got it?
Yep.
So we're gonna show y'all this part right here.
They didn't get a chance to see it.
It's a -6 to 5/8 18 inverted flare.
Yup.
So if you look at it, it's got that flare right there. So you pop these off.
So will this cut you?
Yeah, it's pretty sharp. And this goes up in here.
See, he's trying to teach y'all something. Pay close attention.
That goes in there, and then I gotta grab one of these out.
Or should we put it?
No, you good, you good. Training lines.
Training
Alright,
lines.
And you take the elbow. 90 degrees. Oh, my plastic.
Mission failed. We'll get it next time.
So then we take this, and this will go here.
Ooh, nice and black. What type black that is? Yes, up, fam. That's Jay.
Little J in the building trying to get on the YouTube. It's LV son.
He on what you see with LV
So look,
channel.
so then I measure, actually, the top one goes there. So I'm gonna measure that one. Watch out, Jay, y'all got the shade, you can't see nothing. Measure that one to there, put the other one in, and measure it to there. Cut them, tighten up the fittings, and this project will be done. So let me get that done. We'll be right back. And shoot, we ready to rock and roll.
All right, I see y'all.
Let's see if we can get these people to show this time, man. Little smoky.
Daddy, he don't come back.
Them foot pads dope, man. V ain't even got none of them yet, dude.
He got some, but he ain't got them kind.
I like them. We About done with these. I was blowing them out. I remember one time I made some lines, I forgot to blow them out. So, just trying to make sure these mugs ain't got no. I ain't gonna be able to do this with one hand. Oh, am I? Just blowing them out, man. Make sure there ain't no debris in them. Then put these fittings on the end. Let the air build up, then do it a couple times. Should be good. Thought about spraying some brake clean or something in it, but I don't know. It looked pretty damn clean to me. I'm gonna do some research right quick before I put the fitting on. See if I can spray something up in there. But oh yeah, hey, we're finna be coming down the home stretch on this part of the project. All right, all right, all right. We in there. Look at that, boy. That looks good. I love it. Ooh, man. I think I'm gonna go ahead and change this bumper out in the next couple days too, so I can drill that hole, put that last bracket right there. But man, that looks good. I gotta determine where I wanna put the rest of these bracket things right here. You see that? I got them from Big Z. Got one there, and I got 2 more, I think. Yeah. So probably put them closer to the back. I do have to tighten down the hoses on the transmission, but I wanted to go on and shoot this video before it got dark. I need to route those too. You can see right there, I got them nice and straight beside each other, but they kind of cross over each other right there. I'm gonna fix that. Before I tighten them down, I'm gonna take them loose from the transmission, make sure they route it right, then start putting everything back together. But that's it for that part of it, man. All this, one project, man. Much love and shout out to Clocks Fabrication for this bracket right here. And y'all see this Tru-Cool, man. Everybody says that Tru-Cool is the bad boy for that 4L60. So there's 2 good products right there. But Clocks Fabrication, man, great bracket, man. Went right on easy. I can't complain with that, man. That's great. I appreciate you sending that to me, and hopefully y'all can go out and flood Clocks Fabrication with orders, man, because that's a good piece right there. But I think that's it for this project, man. My next step is gonna be, I was working on something else. Oh, the front end suspension. Front end suspension, actually, and that was sponsored by Cunningham Machine. So y'all gonna wanna see that. Cunningham Machine, tie rod adjuster sleeves. And I think he also sent me some door pin bushings, but I ain't gonna get around to that for a while. Cause like everything in the yard has got sagging doors, especially the driver door. But that's it for this video, man. Like I said, go give Clocks Fabrication a shout, man. Make a great product. And that Tru-Cool as well. They're actually made to go together. There might be other brands that you can use, but I'll let y'all decide on that. But until next time, man, we're gonna holler at y'all. Peace!
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained?
All right, hold it up for me there, baby. You know what? I never tightened the back of that. That's the problem. Oh, I messed up. Don't do like me. Hold it outwards like that. I just messed up the fins. I gotta switch them bolts around. Damn, KJ. Y'all don't be like me. Look at my.
That's why I was asking
Look
you.
at my fins. Oh!
I just asked you that.
Yeah, I gotta put these bolts around. Flip them around the other way. I didn't think about that.
How is that gonna work?
I didn't think about it. That's my bad. Damn.